Unite, black people unite.
So how do you see unity amongst the people in this time?
So the universal unity, what the world is looking for, is an illusion. You will never ever live to see that. As the speech of Haile Selassie I said, until the color of a man's skin is no more significant than the color of his eye, it shall be war. Even though Haile Selassie I said again, unity is only I and I goal. But look at it now. As long as there are nations fighting against nation, there is no such thing as unity universal. Because when we speak of unity, solidarity, coming together as one, to us it's very impossible. You can find unity and solidarity and love amongst few ones because we do not know how to tolerate each other for our difference. We don't have no tolerance. We don't know how to accept each other for their difference. Even I and I as Rasta, because he's a Aichalimper. An next man is a cook food man. An next man eat fish. And if you're a Aichalimper and you lick a fire upon Pat and Patricia and Sharon and Doris and the whole of them, it creates a problem. And if the man who eat ital lick fire upon the man that eat fish and chicken and dog and puss and rat, it creates a problem same way. That alone create a difference and create this unity because no one ready to accept the truth. Because only the truth can set you free, you know. And when you talk about unity amongst our people, it's very hard. Even in the church, even amongst Rasta brethren, even amongst your own family, mother and father and sister and brother and uncle and auntie, is a big difference. And we can talk about the grassroots, but we can talk about the heads of government, the world leaders. They are the same ones sit down at conference table and go to United Nations and talk about unity and love and solidarity. But while they are at the conference table talking, they are the same one that's spending billions of dollars building guns and bombs. So why are you building them? And yet still you are talking about unity and solidarity and coming together. Racism, classism, first class and second class citizens of every different nation. You see it among the rich against the poor, the black against the white, nation against nation, race against race. Where is the unity? What them say is a common goal. Everyone is bawling out for love. What kind of love are you talking about? Do you know that love better than lust? Walk alike, talk alike, seem alike, but they are not alike. Because love can't dead, you know. But lust dead after a while. If you love someone for 99 years and in 1 year, well, if you make it 100 and you don't love them again, you never either love them all the while. You don't pretend say you love them. So lust is a great pretender. Unity is a lie. Because when you look at it, all of these people are dealing in different churches, praising the same God. Anglican against Baptist, Presbyterians against Methodist, Pushalik, Catholic, Dagalik, we don't know. They are all against each other. And then now, I and I as Rastafari come and we have the same problem too. Because you have 12 tribes, you have Nyabing, you have Bobo Shanti, you have RCO, you have Judah Coptic, you have School of Vijay. Give thanks. I see the one them a try come together to bring that unity. But behind the scene, someone still a murmur. And from there's murmuring, where is that unity? Where is that solidarity? Where is that coming together? I have to talk about Rastafari, because if my house is dirty, I have to clean it before I look in at the next man's house, you know. Yes, we would love to see the unity. We would love to see the solidarity. We would love to see the coming together. And we've been working on that all our life. But the system already set us up. The system already fix us. The system already separate us. The system already force us to do things that we don't really want to do. And we were brainwashed by these people who claim that they want to unite us. Where are we going to see unity? Give thanks to the few brethren where you can say, love my brother, give thanks. And him can come over and we reason. We want to see the unity here, we want to see the solidarity, and we want to see the coming together, we want to see the love. Man sing about it, we preach about it. But what about the people who are building guns and bombs and nuclear weapons? All kind of things to create war. Do you think they're going to spend billions of dollars, have them put on just so? One day they're going to use them because man is fighting for power that don't belong to them. Man fight for leadership that don't belong to them. And these are the things, what is going on amongst our people. One set of people preach love, there's another set a preach war. Even amongst our people, I hear Rasta Bridging called Rasta warrior. We're no warrior. I is not warrior. I is defender of this liberty. If you come to war us, then we will defend ourselves. But we are not warrior. We're not gangster. And as a people of love, that we say, one perfect love. Even when you come with your hate, we're going to box you with love. You know much I bridging dead for say love? You know much I bridging dead for say peace and love? You know much I bridging dead for say unity? Because they don't want to see us unite. They will do any and everything to keep us apart. So wherever you can find unity and love, happiness and joy and solidarity, that is where you must stay. But do not look for this world cry of unity, because while we are here talking now, they are building guns and bombs to destroy themselves and other innocent people who don't even care about that more than care about living. So we want to see all these great things, but come on, the man them with the superpower, these great men that they call scientists, these great men that they call leaders of the world, they are the ones who are destroying our people. And they all sit at the table, their conference table, preaching about unity and love, and still building guns and bombs. Do you really think I and I is stupid? We are not a fool. We know exactly what's going on. So we will continue healing Rastafari, chanting love and unity and solidarity and coming together. But we know outside of that, these great mighty men of war, these big bull of bash and old tyrant warriors, they will never give up. So we give thanks that I could cite Rastafari who come and say peace and love amongst the people. And we will continue saying that. Rastafari, one perfect love. Haile Selassie the first. None before, none after, none to come. Give thanks.
African people unite. Unite. Rasta people unite. Come together